Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we will see how to create custom events in Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager. So without further ado, let's get started. So we'll be using this website for creating custom event, and we'll create an event for those users who have stayed in our website for at least 10 seconds. So we'll create an event called 10 seconds users. Okay, so let's do it. I have created a Google Analytics account for this website. You can see over here. And I have also created a Google Tag Manager account and set up GA4 base tag for this website. So first of all, we need to create a trigger. So I'm going to click on trigger. Then I'm going to click on new. Then we'll name the trigger as 10 seconds trigger. Then I will choose trigger configuration as timer, and it will be selected by default, event name GTM.timer, and I'm gonna give the interval as 10,000. Okay, because I want to see 10 seconds user, so it will be multiplied by 1000 seconds because it is in milliseconds. You can see over here, and I will give the limit as 1. And from this section, I'm gonna choose event mass rejects. Then I'm gonna give dot star. So I'm gonna choose star from here. Okay, and I'm gonna click on save. Okay, perfect. Then we'll create a tag. So I'm gonna go to the tag section and click on new. Then I will name the tag as GA4 10 seconds user. Okay, then I will choose tag configuration as GA4 event. So I'm going to choose Google Analytics GA4 event. I'll select the configuration tag as GA4 base tag and give the event name as 10 seconds underscore user. Okay, then I'll not be choosing any event parameters from here. So if you want, you can give event parameters as per your requirements. Okay, so I'm gonna choose triggering as this one, 10 seconds trigger. Okay, then I'm gonna click on save. Perfect. So for checking whether it is working or not, I'll go to the preview section and I have to copy my website URL and paste it in the tag assistant section. So I'm gonna put my website URL over here and click on connect. Okay, perfect. Then if I stay in this website for at least 10 seconds, then our tags will be fired. Okay, so hopefully I have spent more than 10 seconds. So let's go to the Google Tag Manager and see whether it has fired or not. You can see over here GA4 10 seconds user. Okay, a event timer is firing. Okay, so let's check from the analytics dashboard. So if I go to the analytics and click on admin, then I need to go to the debug view section. So I'm going to click on debug view. Then you will see an event is firing here. Like you can see over here, 10 seconds user. Okay, perfect. So hopefully you have understood all those things and you have learned how to create a custom event in Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye-bye.